to my channel. Today I am back with a new video and I am on the floor of my closet because we're filming a different kind of video for you guys. But before we get into it, I wanted to film a quick intro because I have been gone for a while now because I am now officially a married woman. Can you believe it? The past couple months have been crazy between wedding planning and my honeymoon. Everything turned out so perfect. Between moving and getting everything situated and organizing it and just kind of like creating my own space, I am so excited for this next chapter in my life. And with that next chapter comes a new closet. And I'm super excited because I want to show you guys how I organize my closet and some tips and tricks for how you can organize yours. It's not perfect, it's not the most luxury, like huge closet, it's just realistic, so I figured it'd be very relatable for you guys out there. So if you guys are interested in seeing how you can organize a normal size closet and on a budget, then definitely keep on watching. Give the video a thumbs up if you do happen to enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos like this or just more videos in general on my channel. So let's get into this. So first and foremost, color coordination will change your life. So I have all of my shirts color coordinated from black to white to yellows and burnt oranges, olive green, grays, blues, nude and beigey, like baby pinks, red, and yeah, so that's kind of how I have all of my shirts organized in my closet, and it makes it extremely aesthetically pleasing. So my black session is the craziest because I work for Mac and we have to wear all black, so like I'm constantly in and out of this section, but at least there's some sort of organization to it now. So basically in every colored section for my shirts, I have it organized with like tank tops, bodysuits, then it goes into like crop tops, then from crop tops it goes to like regular sleeve, long tops, then it goes into like sweaters and jackets toward the back and longer sleeve tops toward the back. So that's how every section is organized. So in my whites, I'll have like a skinny tank like crop top, and then it'll go into like regular size long white tank top, and then so on and so forth. This makes it so easy when I'm getting ready to have it organized like this, because if I'm getting ready and I need a green tank top, I know exactly where to find it toward the front in this section here, or if I need a green long sleeve shirt, I know to get it toward the back. Once you take the time to organize your closet like this, it'll help you utilize so much more of your clothing, so much more of your older clothing that like you forgot that you loved, because you know where to find it and you're able to piece together way more outfits when you know exactly where everything is. That's just an overall rundown of my shirts. So then toward the right of my closet, I have all of my longer pieces here. That way it doesn't get all jagged in between. Everything is kind of like a similar length here. All of my like longer cover-ups here, my dresses here, helps the space be way more seamless. And I try to color coordinate these sections too. So I have all of my black cover-ups here, and then kind of like I just chunk them together. You can't really tell because obviously I don't have as many of these pieces in all the different colors, but I put all of my blacks together because again I use that the most for work. And then all of my cardigans here cover up, so you have your grays, beiges, and then some other random colors. And then here is where I put all of my dresses. So again, I have my pinker dresses here, my nude, all of my white dresses chunked together, then my greens and blues. And just having all of my dresses here again makes it so easy, because if I want to wear a dress for the day, I know exactly where to grab it, and then I know where to grab the cover up that I may want to pair with the dress. That's like the biggest tip I could give you, is just chunking your clothes together so you know exactly where to find each piece of your outfit so seamlessly, so readily available. And when you pair the colors together, it makes it easy, because then you know, okay, if you want a blue dress, you know where to grab your blue dress. If you want a blue dress with a gray cover up, you know where to find that, and it just really changes your life. Shoes toward the top of my closet here. basically toward the highest part of my closet, I put the shoes that I don't really wear that often. These are actually the shoes I wore on my wedding day. In case you guys didn't know, I had a Christmas themed wedding, so I have like these red shoes with a Christmas bow on the side. Then the heels that I wear a little bit more often, but definitely not my everyday shoe, are toward this shelf right here, because it just makes it easy. And then just some more shoes here. And on this shelf down here beneath my shirts, I have like my little booties and some random sandals in here. These I kind of just have tucked away under here because I don't wear boots that often considering I live in Florida. I keep all of my sneakers on this shelf right here and my sandals. So this shelf I got from Walmart for literally about 20 bucks. So I have like my Vans just on top of there because there was no space, and then my Tory Burch sandals in the box, and then my white Adidas in the box just because I don't want them to get dirty. But for the most part, all of my other sneakers are in here. And then I have some more rider boots tucked away at the top there, again because I don't wear boots that often since I live in the good old Sunshine State. And then toward the bottom, it's a little messy, but this is where I keep my just like weekend bags. In here I have my book bag under here, and then I have like my Tory Burch boots and then some over the knee boots that I don't really wear, so that's just kind of thrown in that section. This is where I keep some of my jewelry and accessories, the like hats, necklaces, scarves, all that will be in this little cube section here. So I have like my bracelets and bangles here, and this little bracelet holder I got from Amazon for like I think like less than 10 bucks. You can find these on Amazon, TJ Maxx, Ross. They're really nice to have jewelry organizers because you're able to see everything and just like pair way more of your jewelry with your outfits. I have my more dainty necklaces on this little holder here. Here's a picture of me and my husband. And then right here I have my more like bubbly necklaces, more statement necklaces, and this I got from like Ross. Some extra bags up there, and then I also have some extra bags to the side right here. Then I have all of my hats in here. This one's my favorite, Monsters University. So then toward the bottom here, I have these little cubed boxes. I got like 3, 4, 5 or something at Walmart. And the cube shelf is from Walmart too. I believe I got it for like 35 or 40 bucks. And I've had it for a couple years now, so it's pretty durable. First box, I just have all of my chunkier like Christmas sweaters and a rain jacket. So I just put all that in there. And then in this cubby I put my belts. I don't have that many, so it kind of just makes it work. I just rolled them up in here so I know exactly where to find them. And then in this one I have all of my scarves. I don't really use scarves that often, again considering I live in Florida and it's like 90 degrees all the time here. I just kind of have them folded in here. It's not really that organized, but at least I know where they all are. So that's my little accessory section. And then I have more earrings and stuff just outside of my closet, but this is where about half of it all is. Here I have all of my jackets. So I just put them all in this section. I have my like chunkier coats toward the back, and then just kind of jean jackets toward the front and so on. So it's nice because if I want to wear like a pullover sweater, I know where to find it, all in here. Right next to my jackets is where I have like my bottom. Start with my pants section here. I have all of my pants here. They're a little messed up because yesterday I couldn't decide what pants here, and I try to have it color coordinated, so I have like my reds, blue, gray, nude, greens, gray, darker grays, and then whites back here. Next to my pants I have my skirts. So again, my black skirts toward the front, navy blue, pink, and so on and so forth. And then right next to the skirts I have my matching sewn. Those are all in this section. I don't have that many, but that way I remember to use them. I just put them all right next to my matching sets. I have my rompers, so I started from rompers, and then toward the back I have my longer jumpsuits. Then right above my pants I have my jeans. So I have my black jeans in this section, my medium wash jeans, and my light wash jeans. Basically, I tucked them away under here because jeans are something you grab for a lot. So I didn't want them on full display because they can get like messed up easy. So that's another trick. Anything you use a lot, try to tuck it away. That way it's not like, if you are rushing out the door and it happens to get messy, it's not on full display. and it just makes it a lot easier. For my jeans, again, I organize it by color, but then I also have my ripped jeans toward the top and my non-ripped jeans toward the bottom. That way, if I'm looking for a ripped pair of pants, I know exactly where to find them. I can grab it toward the top instead of going through each jean and trying to figure out which one is which, because obviously you can't tell in the pile. And that way you're not messing up all your pairs, you know where to find it. Obviously, if you tend to wear non-ripped jeans more, you'd want to put that toward the top, put your ripped jeans toward the bottom. Anything you're grabbing more often, put it toward the top. That way it makes it easier to find and easier to put away. You're not messing up all your jeans looking for something. So I just have them neatly folded in here. Guys, that's like the overall rundown of my closet. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I honestly couldn't be more happy with my space. And if you don't have an organized closet, if you hadn't had a chance to do yourself a favor, clean your closet out, organize it. It will change your life and put you in such a better mood. I mean, after all, what you wear is kind of how you represent yourself to everybody. So when you organize your clothing and you just make your space way more neat and just clean and nice, it'll help you utilize way more of your clothing, help you put together way cuter outfits, and just make you such a happier of a person. So I'm telling you, do it. It'll make your life so much better. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did happen to like it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more videos from me each week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!